Hey, Ag Teacher Thoughts. Doing an unboxing for our blacksmithing grant. So we just had a box of hammers that I just unboxed, a whole bunch of those, all sorts of different sizes and designs. So those are all a little bit different, which is what we want in blacksmithing. We want to be able to select different hammers for different jobs. But a lot of us do get a hammer that we really, really like. So having a variety for students is helpful. And it also gives them an opportunity that if they don't have the strength of someone else, if they're, a seventh grader is not going to be able to wield the same hammer as a senior. So having different hammers so they don't get worn out is also key. So let's get this open and see what's in here. Let's just go for it. Try not to cut my hands on the staples. There we go, some better packing materials again. Whee! I'll clean it up later. That's kind of fun stuff. All right. Oh, there we go. Those are a bit smaller than I thought they were going to be. I thought they were going to be a lot wider. So these little guys are devil dogs. They are triangular shaped. We can put those on top of the anvil, put our steel over it and hit it, and they are a quick little easy tool for cutting steel. I've got a bunch of those here. It's much better to have something small we can use. It's easily replaceable. So that's what that is. That's a bunch of devil dogs. Ah, there we go. So because we're in a rural area, and I do have some students that want to also look at being a farrier, I did get some creasers. So I have right and left-handed creasers. So if they want to try their hand at doing some farrier work, some working with some horseshoes, we've got that as a possibility. We're trying to make sure we're covering all the bases here. So there's right-handed creasers. Left-handed creasers. Got to always take care of the lefties. Don't worry, I married one. I know what it's all about. Then we get into our fire tongs. Lots and lots of fire tongs. Leading up to this point, we had a bunch of antique fire tongs. We had some fire tongs that were my personal tongs that I've used to teach several years with, and they're at their end of their life. Enough students working with them, they've stretched and worn out pretty good. So I got a whole bunch of I'll wait for the bell to end ringing. It's going to ring again in about 4 minutes. We're on a snow day today. I came up just to offload this pallet and take care of plants. So I'm not neglecting the classroom. There's just no students in it right now. There's a bunch of 3/8. Well, this one's a little bit different. That one feels completely different. That's interesting. I don't know if it's missed a step or if I bought different ones, but there's no swells on this one. No one did any upsetting on this one, so that's interesting. Well, maybe someone will prefer that one, the one with the swells. There's more 3/8. A lot of what we do is 1/4 inch. There's some 1/4 inch. Interesting. Some more of them without the upsetting on them. Okay, there's another set of fire tongs. These are also 1/4 inch. Okay, so what we need different tongs for different tasks. So we got a whole bunch of those. There's our 1/2 inch fire tongs. Four of those. Here's our 3/8. Oh, there's our straight peen, or cross peen, but straight. It's not at a 45. Got those. Put those in the hammer box. Oh, those are pretty. Woo! Look at that. I got to get closer with that one. There we go. Can you see that? Look at that purple metallic flash. Ooh, it flashes to green. Those are fancy. That has got to be the fanciest purple and green. My goodness. Let's see if the other ones are like that. Let's see if they, well, hey, first thing it gets to cut. Woo! These Hardys are like that too. Yeah. Yep, it has a color shifting purple and green paint on our Hardys. These are 7/8 inch chisel Hardys. Woo! Fit perfect. And that would be, that's it. That's what we've got. All right. Well, if you have any questions, go ahead and drop me a message. This is Ag Teacher Thoughts, and doing our 3rd unboxing, maybe it was our 4th unboxing video of the supplies we got for our blacksmithing grant. Ag Teacher Thoughts out.